Today is moving day, right, Claire?
Mm-hmm.
We are moving, and first thing we're moving is this giant teddy bear. There's one bear in the back of a Tesla Model X. Okay, it fits. So we are moving into an office. Yeah, we're getting an office. We want to be able to have a few places that we can film that aren't just inside of our house, so that we have to like move everything out of the house and the girls have to be quiet while we're filming or whatever. So we rented an office. We have one that we've been in temporarily. We need to move all the stuff from the temporary office to the main office. So thought you'd give you guys first look. It's very barren. We don't have many cool things yet. We've got some companies that are sending us some cool things. So if you guys want to send us some cool things and you work for a company that could look good in our office, we are open to that. Just hit us up, PO Box, email, everything's in the description. But let's get moving. You ready, Lincoln?
Yeah! It's cold today.
Yeah.
It's really sad.
You got your toys? That's what's going to the office? Claire, what are you bringing to the office?
Nothing. I'm bringing my shoes.
Yeah.
In the car, the hair got
Okay, so
ripped.
this is our old office that we've been in for the last few months, temporarily. Here's our current office. Super, super boring. All right, we got the bear. Let's take it upstairs.
Ow! This door is so heavy.
I'll open up the door.
Okay, we got it. This is our new office. Oh, it's Mama and Lincoln. And the dog. Come on, dog. Come over here.
I'll fit through the door.
The dog will fit through just fine.
Come on! She's so excited.
In there, in there. Let's go in. Everybody in the new office.
Tesla,
Let's go. Let's go, dog. You can do it. Go in.
come on, Tesla. Come on. Tesla, come on. Come on.
Be afraid. This is a new experience for her. This is it, guys. This is our office. We've got all these rooms. You see how many rooms? There's like 8 or 9 rooms in here. Tons of places for fun stuff. What are you gonna do with this car? Where's that go?
In the pink room?
Let's see it. I don't care. Put it wherever you need to go. Where's it go? This is the toy room. Right here with the pink wall. Perfect. We gotta get your playhouse in here. We have a metal window.
No, but then on this side is a chalk. It's a normal
What?
Writing.
What's it called? What do you call it? What is it? Come on.
whiteboard.
Whiteboard. Woo, you're so smart.
So,
Room number 1.
room number 1.
Paint on the wall that needs to be fixed. Green.
Yes.
This might be able to be a green screen. I've never done a green screen. Let's see. Do something, Lincoln. Pretend like you are running from a big spider. What's your favorite room, Leslie?
I like your office. I think
This one? Oh, the blue and white.
yeah, I like the windows. So
Look at that view, guys. Are you seeing this view? So yeah, that's what's going on. This is our office. We need to move in some stuff. So I'm gonna get that bear and get it in here. And then we're gonna paint the walls. We need to decorate it. We got a lot of stuff to do. So you can give us your suggestions on what we think we should do, what kind of room. We're thinking maybe like a gaming room, like video game room, where Lincoln can play whatever, you guys, then the girls can play Minecraft with you or Rocket League or whatever fun games, Madden, NBA 2K. Another cool thing about this office, we have a gym right there. It is completely empty today. Drag it in, Mama. Drag your kill. Are you happy with the office, the way it looks?
looks so good.
Which one do you like better, the pink or the green or the yellow?
Blue.
None of them.
None of them, exactly, I'm with you. We've got to get rid of these colors, they're super ugly. The white and the blue are good, but to have an office with all these mixed colors,
I'm keeping the pink one for that's good for the playroom. That one's good for the playroom.
you think?
Because my car matches it.
I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Should we leave this wall pink for London so she can have a playroom?
Please!
Let us know in the comments. We're back in the office. We went home for a few hours. This is the first time that we've been here at nighttime. It's kind of cool. I like it. We have a couple of desks. We have 3 desks that are downstairs that were too big to bring up. We'd have to take them all apart to bring them up, and they also don't really fit well in here with what we're looking for. We're gonna buy some new desks. We got these ones for $100 total for the 3 of them, so I don't feel too bad getting rid of them, but we are gonna get rid of them now. So we've gotta go down. I got some gloves, we got some tools. We're gonna get rid of these desks. We have this desk, we have this desk, we have this desk, we have this desk. We have 1 tool, and 1 tool only. Can you break them open?
Oh, this thing.
You are gonna hurt your toe.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, good call.
Like golf.
All right, we have this vacuum. It's a Dyson 360i vacuum. They sponsored an Instagram post like a year ago, and we've been using this at our house. We brought it here to the office. I forgot we had it, but it's kind of dirty on the carpet. So what we're gonna do is, we don't have to be out of this place till tomorrow. So I'm just gonna set this guy up, and he's gonna vacuum all night long while we sleep. And by the time
Hopefully it doesn't get stuck.
I don't think it will. There's not much in here for it to get stuck on. So then when we come back tomorrow, this place should be completely vacuumed up. Let's see. Let's put them on here. Go for it. Continue working all night. Don't sleep until you're done. I want all of these wood chips picked up. Woo! We did it in one day. I'm excited to show you guys what we got going on upstairs. It really is gonna look good. We've got some new furniture that we're gonna bring in. We're gonna set up some stuff. You guys are always saying like, I wanna see your office with all of your stuff that you cut in half all set up. We're gonna do that. We're gonna put a ton of stuff that we've cut open, put it over there. But first, we need to paint the place. We need to get some furniture. We need to figure out a few things. We have some companies that are sending us some cool stuff to put in there, so that's awesome. Turn the lights off when you're done. Adios. The weakest ever. One.